Welcome to Brobench. In this video, we're going to take a look how to use the app launcher or a pop-up launcher icon on the controls. When you install Brobench, it adds this particular app launcher icon to the right edge of the screen. It also makes other changes. For example, it shows the connection name here. It changes the tab icon, and it adds, the UI quick searcher control and all that. All of these changes are collectively called Salesforce UI changes, which you can individually control at a connection level, which if they are enabled or disabled, which you can go to the edit connection and you can turn on and off one of these. Okay. So this particular icon, this particular control is called app launcher, and it has few other icons, and this can be used to bring up the application in the pop-up mode. So typically you use that, let's say if you're browsing a particular record, and then if you click on that, it'll automatically load that particular record details, so you can see all of that and you can make changes. So to open the app in a new tab, there are multiple ways. There are keyboard shortcuts. For example, if you do Control Shift B, that's in Windows, or Command Shift B in Mac, so you can open the pop-up without you having to click manually. Okay, so that's a keyboard shortcut. Again, it is a Command Shift B or a Control Shift B. Okay, you can open the app directly in a new window. For example, let's say you are seeing this and you want to launch the Brobench app in a new screen automatically. You can do Command Shift Option B. That's in Windows and Mac, and then in the Windows it is a Control Shift Alt B. So when you press this button, so it will load that app in a new window automatically, not as a pop-up. So once you open the window, you can also click on this icon to open the app in a pop-up in a full screen mode. And by the way, Brobench has a lot of features, a lot of capabilities, and many of them are really designed to work in a full screen or with a full real estate. So if you're not just editing a record and then quickly you are viewing the object details, I would always recommend to open in a full screen mode and keep that tab handy for you to open it. So here you can see that we have placed this icon in this particular position because it's away from this buttons and other controls that typically happen. But it is possible that this icon is interfering with your screen element based on your screen size and whatever. You can adjust this particular control panel. So you see a small dotted icon on the top. You can go over there, you can hold and click on that, and then you can move this icon like this, and then it will remember the position. Next time when you refresh the page, icon will show at that particular position so that it moves away from your screen elements. Okay. Similarly, you can do that while the app is actually open like this, so that you can adjust it. It goes all the way to the top and then stops, or somewhere down below it stops here, so that you have access to that to view all the time. Okay. You can adjust the size of this particular pop-up that comes in a settings. For example, you can go here, you can say, let's say I want the pop-up to be a little bit higher width. Then after that, if you refresh the page, the pop-up will be higher width than the default. Go here, you can see that you can see more data and you have access to a lot of real estate. So if you go back to the settings and you can reset it, I want to bring it back to the same. Okay. But again, so to recap, you can use this app icon to launch the app. You have the keyboard shortcuts and all that. So the other thing is that you can do command or a control click that will also open in a full screen mode automatically without having to load here. So you have multiple ways to open the app within a pop-up as well as a full screen. You can click on it. You can command or control click to open in a full screen mode. You can do command or control shift B to open in a pop-up, or a command shift alt option B to open in a full screen mode directly. Okay. Hope this helps to customize how this particular app icon behaves. Thank you.